files and folders. A file is a document that you may find on someone's desk or in a filing cabinet. It is an item that contains a collection of related information. Similarly, a file in a computer can be a text document, spreadsheet, picture, music, or even movie. A file in a computer system is represented by an icon. Here are some common file icons.
According to the file type:
document file, spreadsheet file, image file, video file, music file.
A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store your files.
In other words, a folder is a collection of files. You can see a folder icon on the screen as shown in the figure. Folders do not only store files but also other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. A number of subfolders can be created into a folder, which can contain number of files and additional subfolders. Folder.